Children, now we are learning lesson 4, a village on the plateau. Which is the village? Dokpur. Do you hear about Dokpur? It is in Mahabubnagar district in Telangana state. What is the last lesson we learned? Penamakuru, a village in the Krishna Delta. Now we are going to learn about Dokpur village, which is on the plateau region. Already I said about Deccan Plateau. What is the longest plateau? Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in Telangana. Is situated this region. Telangana Plateau is falls on that Deccan Plateau. Telangana Plateau region falls on Deccan Plateau. It slopes from west to east. Where is our Telangana Plateau? Our Telangana Plateau is falls on Deccan Plateau. This is the largest plateau in India. So here in this plateau, so many hills are there. That here the soil is not even. So many hills with flat areas between them. There are so many hills in between them, flat areas. So that soil is not even on the surface on this part. Already we learned about Penamakuru village nearby Krishna river. So there the soil is very fertile and the soil is even on the surface. But not like that here. This Telangana plateau, here we are learning about the area Dokpur village. So this area more having rocky soil. Rocks are there in the soil. So this area is with rocky. There is a little rainfall also here. Rainfall also very lowest. So that is the problem for cultivation. We want water for cultivation. Where do we get water? We get water from rains. So there is no much rains here. Because of that, cultivation is possible in small areas only, not in all areas like Krishna Delta. Here, some areas only possible for cultivation. Now, going to be know about the Dokpur village. Where it is? It is in Devarkadra Mandal. Where it is? It is in Devarkadra Mandal, around 25 kilometers away from Mahabubnagar district. This is in Mahabubnagar district, Devarkadra Mandal, around 25 kilometers away from Mahabubnagar district. What is the whole name of this village? Dokpur. Actually, the name of this village, Dokpur, is Dokpur. This word comes from Dokpur. Many years ago, some of the dacoits lived there. So this area filled with so many bushes. So many trees are there. Bushes means small trees. This area is surrounded with so many bushes. So this is available for that dacoits to hide beside that bushes. So they are choosing this area to hide. That is why this place Dokpur comes from that Dokpur. Many dacoits live in that area so many years. So from that Dokpur, this place changed into Dokpur. Now this area, this village is called as Dokpur village. What is the climate of this village? The climate of this village, the summer goes up to 40 degrees. From February to June, the temperature goes up to 40 degrees. The winter, how is the winter? The winter days are 20 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. Summer daily goes up to high temperature up to 40 degrees. Winter, the days are 20 to 30 degrees from November to January. How is the rainfall in this region? Here the rainfall comes from June to October. Falls on from June to October. Very low rainfall in this area. So because of that low rainfall and irregular, scanty and irregular, very low rainfall. Because of that low rainfall, drought situation is seen in this area. Drought situation means all the lands will dry up because of that low rainfall. So much water we want for irrigation. Where do we store that water? We store that water by building tanks and by depending on groundwater. Because of the low rainfall, some irrigation are also not completed. So drought situation is seen in that area. Here drinking water also major problem for humans and cattle. Drinking water also major problem in this area. That's why difficult to carry out agricultural works. Because of low rainfall, we cannot do the agriculture more here, like Krishna Delta. There is so much water, soil also available for agriculture. Here rocky soil and water is scanty and irregular rains, low because of low rainfall. We cannot do the agricultural works properly here. So what the people do in this region, those who are depend on the agriculture, they are seeking for other options. They are searching for other options for employment. They are going to cities and towns to do small works. So this area, which village we are learning? Dokur village. Where is this village and what is the climate and rainfall of this village? We learned in this class. Go again through this once again. Where is the village? In Devaragadra Mandal, Mahbub Nagar district, away from 25 kilometers from Mahbub Nagar district. Okay, this name comes from Dokur. This is the Dokur village, climate, rainfall and the features of this village. Okay, next class we will discuss more.